Okay, let's say you just bought a business or you took over the marketing from another person or agency, but you can't get into the Google business profile. And it's really important how you show up on Google Search and Maps. How are you going to do it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Bryan Caplan here with the Bigger, Better Biz community, where I equip you with the tools and know-how to grow that bigger, better, small business. I just got a really good question on one of our YouTube videos, and someone just purchased another company. They bought another roofing company. However, they can't get in touch with the former owner of the Google business profile. So how the heck are they going to get in? I'm going to show you. So you see right here, I'm actually on the Depend on Dakota page, and I searched for Depend on Dakota team and found the Google business profile right here. Now, I'm signed in a Google account that does not manage this profile. We've been working with them for years, but here we go. I'm going to click on Own This Business. Here's what happens. Now it says, okay, this business profile has already been claimed. And it starts telling you the beginning of the email address. So if I just kind of zoom in a little bit, you can see the business profile has already been verified by BR. Well, that's me, but still, It doesn't tell you the full email address. It just gives you the first couple letters. If you own the email address, you can sign into your account. Otherwise, we can go back here and click on Request Access. Now, this is going to send kind of like a form. It's going to send a form via Google, and it's going to be a notification to the owner of the business profile that says this person is requesting access. Now, since we at Bryan Caplan Marketing manage hundreds of business profiles, we see these requests come in all the time. Sometimes they're legitimate, sometimes, and most of the time, they're not. So you want to be really careful when you're accepting one of these. In this case, I'm going to say, okay, share your info with the current owner, sure. What level of access, management or ownership? So if you are another agency that's trying to get access, you could click on management. If you're the owner of the business, and in this case, the roofing company bought another roofing company, they own it, we'll click on owner. What's your relationship to the business? Owner, employee, agency. I'll say agency. Pop in your name, make sure it's a name that they recognize. Your phone number, so I'll put in our phone number here. Your agency name, Bryan Caplan Marketing. And then I click on submit. So Google now has sent an ownership request to the owner of the profile. Now in this case, it's me, so it's kind of silly. It's just going in a circle, but this is what would happen for the roofing company. The previous owner of the business profile would receive an email. Now that owner has some options. First off, that owner of the business profile could say, sure, accept, makes total sense. This is the new owner of the profile, and give access. Or that owner could reject. Well, if they reject, sometimes I've seen this happen where it was an employee or a former agency or marketing team that set up the profile, left on bad terms, and now they're just saying, not going to happen. In that case, you can go and you can appeal and you can go through Google support. We don't cover that in today's video. The third option is that the previous owner of the business profile could just ignore it. Now, usually they get an email like this, they ignore it unless you told them or let them know this is coming from Google, please accept. In that case, if they do choose to ignore the request from Google, what you're going to do is you're going to wait, give it 7 days, and then go back in, go through this process again. This time, you should be able to claim the profile. If you run into issues, maybe Google makes you wait a little bit longer, that's okay. Try it again the next 7 days. By 14 days, 14 calendar days, you should, I'm pretty darn confident, you should be able to claim your profile. Now you'll have full access, you'll be able to manage it, and make sure when you get in that you remove any past owners or managers that are not currently in your company. You don't want people playing with how you show up on Google Search and Maps. So again, my name is Bryan Caplan from the Bigger, Better Biz community. Hope this helped. Until next time, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.